How to switch between buttons and gestures in system navigation Android. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can change the system navigation style in your Android device. So in case if you are having buttons in order to navigate, like going back or going to the home screen in your Android device, and you want to switch it to gestures, then let me show you how you can do this, and also the vice versa. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is go to the settings of your Android device, and once you're inside settings, simply scroll down until you find this option that says system and update. So simply click here, and from here you will see under software updates this option that says system navigation. If you can't find it here, you can simply search for system navigation in the settings option. Now under system navigation we have two options. The first one is to use gestures in order to go back like this, and the second option is that we use buttons, which will appear like this as you can see here. So you can choose any of them, and once you will do this, it will successfully also give you a demo on how you can use the gestures as well, especially if you are switching it first time from buttons. So that's how easily you can switch system navigation styles in your Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.